So, hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use string concatenation in Python. So, string concatenation means joining two or more strings together to make one complete message. Okay, let's start. So first, we need to find our PyCharm app and then right-click the project 1 and then go to the new and Python file and put problem number 13. So, after that, we need to put the code of the problem number 13. So, this is the code of the problem number 13. As you can see, the first line, this line creates a variable named first underscore name and assigns it the text of quotation joy. So the second line, this line creates another variable named last underscore name and stores the text Luna with quotation marks. So the third line here, the plus operator joins the two strings together with a space in between. So the result becomes Joy Luna with underscores and is stored in the variable to full name. So the fourth line, the print function displays the message my full name is with quotation marks followed by the value of the full underscore name. And now, let's try to run this code. So the output shows my full name is Joy Luna because the program combined the string Joy and Luna using string concatenation, then printed the full message. And that's all. Thank you.